Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up website backups on your WordPress website using BlogVault. And if you use the link in the description, you get a 20% discount. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. So having a website backup enabled on your website is essential, especially if you're a business, as your website is an asset. So think of backups as like insurance for your website in case there's any malware attacks or hacks, or even if you're doing a plugin or WordPress update, your website can crash and lock you out of your admin, so you can't delete or access any of your plugins or posts. So having a service like BlogVault will store backups of your website, which is separate from the server that your website is hosted on. So even if your website goes down or your server gets compromised, you're still able to access your website backups and restore it or move it to a new hosting company. So in my agency's case, I always have backups enabled for my clients, and it saved them a lot of time and resources, as I was able to restore websites for clients, say when a WordPress update didn't complete and that crashed the website, as well as another case where a client's website was hacked and I was able to revert back to a prior version of the site before the hack and change all the passwords and make sure all the plugins were up to date. And we installed a security plugin which allowed the hack to not reoccur. Okay, so to get started with BlogVault, you want to create an account here. So you can use the link in the description. It'll help support the channel. So if you do want to sign up, then that would be appreciated. But you can also just click the sign up button at blogvault.net if you're already there. Okay, and then after, what you want to do is add in your website here. So add site. Okay, and then I'll just add in this demo site I have here. So just copy the URL. Okay, and continue. So if this is a professional website, I would recommend at least the Plus plan here. But for demo purposes, I'll just select the free one. But again, if you're just testing this out, then the free one is fine. And then once you see that this benefits your business, then you can upgrade your plan. So I'll just start with the free plan here. So proceed. Okay, so now you just need to enter in your username and password. Okay, and then this will install the plugin as well as connect the website to your BlogVault account. Okay, great. So the plugin has been installed. So let's sync the application. Okay, so now the site is backing up. So once this is done, I'll come back to the video here. Okay, great. So now we can go here in our plugins in the WordPress dashboard, and they installed the BlogVault plugin. So we'll click settings. And awesome. So we can see that our account has been connected, and now BlogVault is handling the backups for this website. So we can click into the dashboard. And then we can see here. Okay, so now the sync has been completed. So now we can see our backup here. So we can restore it. So say if you need to restore. Okay, so over here is where we can restore the backup. So you can choose which version. We only have one in our case here. So you can choose to restore all the files and tables. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so you can also do a migration. So say if you want to move your site to another hosting provider, you would do it through here. Okay, so you would take the backup of your website and then the new URL here, or the FTP details. And then this will migrate all the data to your new server. Okay, so let's click into the details here. Okay, so again, this is where it shows all your files and tables. And then again, you can do a manual backup as well. So I think this is good practice just to keep versions of the backup on your own company server as well. So say if you have a Google or Microsoft 365 company drive, then you can download a version of your website and store it there. Okay, so to finish off, let's just go over the additional features that they have here. So they have notes, so you can add notes about your website. So say if any updates were done. So this is good if you have multiple people working on the website. Okay, then over here is security and firewall. So you can enable this. So again, you need to have an upgraded plan in order to access this. So staging over here. So if you want to create a staging site to do additional development on your website. So a staging site allows you to make changes to your website without affecting your main site. So this is good if you're trying to create a new website or if you're testing new plugins and themes. Okay, then over here is where you can update your plugins, themes, and WordPress version. So you can do this all in one dashboard. Okay, and this is your activity log. So you can enable this. Okay, so again, you need to upgrade the plan. So we'll look at that after. And then here's your reporting, speed performance. And then they have advanced monitoring as well. And then you can connect your Google Analytics and do form testing. So I think these are all premium features. Okay, so let's just check out their plans to finish off. So we'll just enable this and show plans. Okay, so it's on a per site basis. So the more sites you have, the lower the plans will be. Okay, so we can look at their essential backups here. The automatic backups is what's essential here. So having one every day. And then they have one-click restores as well. So that speeds up the process of restoring your website and doing the migrations. As well as they have staff support. So this is beneficial if you are not so tech savvy and you need to have a lot of questions. So I would recommend the Plus plan if you're just starting out. But again, you can look over the other plans here. If there's any of these features that will be beneficial for your business, then you can subscribe to that plan. So this includes the end of the video. I hope you're able to set up website backups using BlogVault. And again, you can click the link in the description to get 20% off. And if you need help with any web design or development services, then you can contact me at maplitmedia.ca. And thanks for watching.